on to exercise 11.2. Question number 1. Find the coordinates of focus, axis of the parabola, equation of directrix and length of the lattice rectum. Okay. So first case, y square equals 12x. So it is of the form y square equals 4ax. So how does your parabola look like? So this is a right side facing parabola because you have a y square term and you do not have a minus here. You have a plus here. So it is facing this side. So this is your a comma 0 and the equation to your directrix is x equals minus a. Eppome question try to interpret this. Okay, it will be easy for you to solve the question. So when you equate 4a equals 12, a equals 3. 12 by 4 is 3. So your focus is a comma 0, which is 3 comma 0. What is my axis? It is the x-axis. What is my equation to the directrix? It is x equals minus a, which is x equals minus 3. So x plus 3 equals 0. What is the length of my lattice rectum? What is the length of the lattice rectum? It is 4a, which is 4 times 3, which is 12. Okay. So this is how you solve such questions. Question number 2. X square equals 6y. So how does your parabola look like? It is of the form x square equals 4ay. The parabola is symmetric to your x-axis and it's positive. So it is an upward facing parabola. So what does your focus point look like? 0, comma a. Okay, don't mess up with 0, comma a and a, comma 0. The point lies on the y-axis. So it's 0, comma a. What is your equation to the directrix? It's y equals minus a. Okay, so now you have 4a equals 6, a equals 3 by 2. So what is your focus? 0, comma 3 by 2. What is your axis? Your axis is the y-axis. What is my directrix? Equation to the directrix? It is y equals minus a, y equals minus 3 by 2. So y plus 3 by 2 equals 0. And what is the length of the lattice rectum? It is 4a, which is 4 times 3 by 2. I can cancel the 2 and the 4. I'll be left with 6. Okay. Question number 3. Y square equals minus 8x. So this is of the form y square equals minus 4ax. So how does your equation look like? Y square. Okay. So it is symmetric about the x-axis. So in the side you have a minus. So it is to the left of the y-axis. So your parabola is like this. What is your focus point? Minus a, comma 0. And what is your equation to the directrix? X is equal to a. Okay. Always write this. Now when comparing, minus 4a equals minus 8, a equals 2. So what is my focus? My focus is minus a, comma 0, which is minus 2, comma 0. What is my axis? X-axis. Equation to directrix? It is x equals a, x equals 2, so x minus 2 equals 0. What is the length of the lattice rectum? It is 4a, which is 4 times 2, which is 8. Okay. Always remember your a value is always positive because if the length of the lattice rectum is 4a, when you substitute 4 times a negative number, your length cannot be negative. It is the focus point which is negative, but your a is always positive. That's why you have a minus a here. Okay. Next question. X square equals minus 16y. So this is of the form x square equals minus 4ay. How does your parabola look like? X square. So it is symmetric about the y-axis. Malaya, Kiriya, upwards or downwards. You have a negative sign. So it is facing downwards. So what is your focus point? It lies on the y-axis. So it's 0, comma minus a. And this is the equation to your directrix, which will be y equals a. Okay. So on comparing, I have 4a equals minus 16, a equals 4. So what is my focus? It's a comma 4. It's 0 comma minus a. So it is 0 comma minus 4. What is my axis? I'll just directly write it. My axis is y-axis. What is my equation to the directrix? It's y equal to a, y equal to 4. So y minus 4 equals 0. What is the length of the lattice rectum? It's 4 times 2, 4 times a, which is 4 times 4, which is 60. Okay. Question number 5. Y square equals 10x. So this is of the form y square equals 4ax. So how does your parabola look like? Y square, so it's symmetric about the x-axis. You have a plus. So this is your parabola. What is your focus? A comma 0. What is your equation to the directrix? It's x equals minus a. So when you compare, 4a equals 10, a equals 10 by 4, which is 5 by 2. So what is your focus? It's a comma 0. So 5 by 2 comma 0. What is your axis? It's symmetric about the x-axis. So x-axis. What is your directrix? Equation to the directrix. It's x equals minus a. X equals minus 5 by 2. So x plus 5 by 2 equals 0. So what is the lattice rectum? It's 4a, which is 4 times 5 by 2. 2 and 4 will get cancelled. I'm left with 10. Okay. Question number 6. X square equals minus 9y. So this is of the form x square equals minus 4ay. So how does your parabola look like? X square. So it's symmetric about the y-axis. You have a minus. So it's a downward parabola. So this is your focus. It is 0 comma minus a. This is your equation to the directrix, which is y equals a. Okay. So when you compare, you have minus 4a equals minus 9. A equals 9 by 4. So what is your focus? Your focus is 0 comma minus a. So 0 comma minus 9 by 4. What is your axis? It's y-axis. What is your equation to the directrix? It's y equals a. Y equals 9 by 4. Y minus 9 by 4 equals 0. This is the equation. What is your lattice rectum? It is 4a, which is 4 times 9 by 4, which is 9. Okay.